As we said, with Azure Diagnostic Settings, you can specify the destination for your logs. One option is Azure Storage. This is an affordable way to archive logs for an extended period of time. But we need to protect that container, and one of the ways we do that is through encryption. Log data is sensitive data, and it should be encrypted at rest. CIS 5.1.4 is about configuring your storage accounts to use customer-managed keys. Why is this important? Using CMKs provides additional confidentiality controls on your log data. First, a user must have read permission on that storage account and must be granted decrypt permission by the CMK. One important note, your key vault needs to be set up to utilize this. You will need to set up customer managed keys separately, and you will be responsible for the life cycle of the keys and manually replacing them at your own determined intervals to keep the data secure. By default, storage accounts are set to allow encryption with vendor-managed keys and not a customer-managed key. Learn more about Azure Security in our resources section, or create an account and run our free Azure scan.